I am Basvesh. Transformation of sentences, part 3. Transformation of affirmative sentences into negative sentences continued. In the previous video, we saw that we can change an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence by adding not between the auxiliary and the main verb. Now, in this video, let us see what to do when there is no auxiliary in the sentence. The question is, what to do when an assertive sentence has only a main verb? What to do when an assertive sentence has only a main verb and no auxiliary? Then do form is used in accordance with the tense and number of the subject. That is, do form is used along with negation, that is, along with not, while changing an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence. How to do it? Look at the following sentences. She likes sweets. This is an assertive sentence. Here, likes is the main verb and we don't have any other auxiliary in this sentence. She likes sweets. She is third person singular. Therefore, we have added es to the verb. It is in present tense. The verb is in present tense. She likes sweets. How to change it into a negative sentence? She does not like sweets. She does not like sweets. We have used the do form of the verb and we have shifted yes to do, hence does. She does not like sweets. Now, since we have shifted yes from the main verb to the auxiliary, the main verb loses yes. It should be written in its present tense form, that is, in its original form. She likes sweets. When it is changed into negative, it reads like she does not like sweets. You should not add yes again to the main verb. Main verb loses s since we have shifted it to the do form. Similarly, they play cricket. They play cricket, an assertive sentence. When we change it into negative, it will be like they do not play cricket. They do not play cricket. In the sentence, they play cricket, play is in present tense form without any affixes because they is third person plural. You know that a verb takes yes in present tense when the subject is third person singular. Here, the subject is third person plural. Therefore, the verb is in its present tense form in its original form. They do not play cricket. Here, we have used do form and we have added not between the auxiliary and the main verb. Since there was no affix, tagged to the verb play, we have retained the same word, I mean the verb here, without any changes. Therefore, they play cricket, will be they do not play cricket in its negative form. I water the plants. I water the plants. This is an assertive sentence. The subject of the sentence is first person singular. Therefore, the verb in present tense is in its original form, water. I water the plants. So, when we change it into negative form, it will be like I do not water the plants. I do not water the plants. Here we have used do form and we have added not between the auxiliary and the main verb water and changed it into negative sentence. You take care of him. You take care of him. Here, subject is second person singular. It can also be second person plural. Therefore, the verb is in its present tense form. If you change it into negative sentence, it reads like you do not take care of him. You do not take care of him. Look at all these sentences again. All these sentences, all these assertive sentences do not have an auxiliary. Therefore, we have used do form to make or to change them, to transform them into negative sentences.